Fact, the best things in life are analog. Also fact, the best analog thing in life is the Pinsta camera. And just when you thought you were having the most fun you can possibly handle shooting Ilford Direct Positive paper in your Pinsta camera, along comes Adox launching their black and white reversal kit. In this video, I'm not going to be talking about the science behind black and white reversal. That's just going to be a boring technical story. I'm just going to show you the full process of shooting on photographic paper and reversing it with the SCALA kit. Now don't worry, Adox made the whole process super straightforward and pretty easy and very accessible. I've been spending the last 2 weeks experimenting, and I ended up creating some pretty amazing shots, if you ask me. So without further ado, let's dive into it. The kit is designed to mix very easily. It comes with developer, bleach, and a clear bath. All you have to do is add water. I use these small measuring cylinders to prepare enough liquid for 1 syringe that goes in my Pinsta camera. But since the clear bath comes in powdered form, I just used half of this package to create 1 liter of clear bath. Let's briefly talk about paper. Adox advises to use non-multigrade paper, and as per their instructions, I went for Foma Speed N311. Unfortunately, that's not available in 4x5 size. This paper comes as 4x6, so you're gonna have to cut it down to 4x5 size yourself. I do that in the toilet of my house. I just put in this red safe light so I can see what I'm doing. Alternatively, you can do it in a dark bag, but mind your fingers. The same goes for 8x10. The paper isn't available as 8x10, but if you buy this pack of 16x20 paper, which is huge, and you just cut them in 4 segments, you'll end up with 4 8x10 sheets. Also, this paper is super cheap, about 35 cents per sheet. I know. The paper's ISO rating is around 6, but as with everything pinhole photography, I advise you to play around and experiment with it. Now let me take you through the reversal process. The first step is to insert developer. Slowly and gently agitate the camera to ensure every part of the paper gets in contact with the developer fluid. In this example, the video is sped up, but this is what agitation looks like. After 1.5 minutes, the development process is done. Extract the developer using the syringe, and now you're ready for step 2, which is a 2-minute wash with regular water. It's important to keep the temperature of your liquids as constant as you can throughout the whole process. Please refer to the official data sheet that's over on the Adox website for more information. And now we're ready for step 3, which is bleaching the paper. You should bleach the paper for about 2 minutes while ensuring all of the paper gets in contact with the bleach. After 2 minutes of bleaching, extract the bleach and insert the clear bath. Agitate for 30 seconds, extract, and then we're ready for a final wash with some water. I hope you're ready for the final part of the process, because this is where the magic happens. Open the camera and expose the photograph to light again. This step is called the second exposure, and it can be achieved with pretty much any type of light source. In this example, I'm just taking it outside, and if you choose to do so, you should avoid direct sunlight hitting the paper. In my experience, the second exposure shouldn't take more than a minute, and you'll know when it's ready. Once the paper is exposed to completion, you take the syringe with the developer you used in the first step and use that to develop the photo for the second time. This process shouldn't take more than about 30 seconds. And just like with the second exposure, you'll definitely know when it's ready. And there you have it, a super accessible and extra magical alternative to shooting direct positive paper. The kit is made in Germany, jawohl, and shipped worldwide. If you have any questions, reach out to Adox or myself and we'll be glad to answer any of your questions. If you'd like to see some more reversal stuff, then head over to my Instagram page where I post regularly, and don't forget to stick around till the end of this video. Thanks for watching, happy reversing!